Right, it's night 5. It's 8:06 p.m. I just got done playing owl sounds and the Sierra Sasquatch sounds on blast, very loud. So I got sense earlier of an odor that they're out there. I've heard branches break, so I believe they're out there, but I don't know for sure yet. And that's why I am filming right now, because I'm hoping to catch activity. Oh, yep, I hear them. Okay, so they're at the 12 o'clock position, right directly in front of the camera. I can hear movement. They're here. Yep, I can hear them moving. So last night I tried to feed them, and uh, they left. They had nothing. They didn't want nothing to do with that. And I was very discouraged. And I'm very discouraged. Anyway, so that's not how to approach this animal. Um, I can hear him right out there. So they're watching me, and that's why we got the van door open, and I'm making sounds. Um, and by the way, like when I'm out here in the field, um, I have a limited my playback material. Well, listen, if you guys or you're on a computer, go through these videos and watch them, and maybe you'll see something I don't see, and then maybe you'll hear something I don't hear. Um, yeah, because yeah, out in the field here, it's limited. I'm not like I don't have a big production thing going on. Anyways, so I'm gonna just like True Lake, man. The door's open. I'm talking, and I know they're right out there at my 12 o'clock. Right out there. At 12 o'clock, right there. I've been hearing movement there. I just don't know. Yeah, I can hear him right now. I need a shotgun mic. Definitely. Someone who wants to donate to the cause, man. I need a shotgun mic because at night, um, this camera may be very good, but the sound just sucks. But especially at night, sound is the big yeah, that's it. Anyways, I don't want to keep these videos too long because man, YouTube just sucks for uploading, especially from these remote sites. So I'm going to shut this down now, and I'll record later.